Fitness Blender features, strengths, weaknesses. Fitness Blender provides a massive library of workout videos, exercise programs, and healthy recipes, all created and led by husband and wife team, Kelly and Daniel Seegers. Their core offering is free workout videos covering a wide range of fitness styles, including HIIT, strength training, Pilates, yoga, and low-impact workouts. A key feature is their detailed workout information displayed up front. Calorie burn estimates, difficulty level, muscle groups targeted, and equipment needed. For a more structured approach, they offer affordable workout programs designed for specific goals, such as weight loss, strength building, or improved cardiovascular health. These programs typically span several weeks and provide a daily workout schedule. Beyond workouts, Fitness Blender features a collection of healthy recipes, complete with nutritional information and easy-to-follow instructions. This integrated approach to fitness is a significant advantage. Fitness Blender is ideal for individuals who prefer working out at home, have limited equipment, or are on a budget. It's also well-suited for those who appreciate a no-nonsense, approachable, and educational training style. The strength of Fitness Blender lies in its accessibility. The vast library of free content allows users to explore different workout styles and find what resonates with them. The workouts are well structured, and Kelly and Daniel's instruction is clear, concise, and emphasizes proper form. The absence of excessive hype or complicated routines makes Fitness Blender refreshingly straightforward. However, Fitness Blender has its weaknesses. The visual presentation, while functional, can feel dated compared to more polished fitness platforms. The lack of interactive features, such as live classes or personalized feedback, might be a drawback for some users. While they have a robust filtering system, navigating the extensive library can still be overwhelming. The calorie burn estimates are just that, estimates, and shouldn't be taken as definitive. While their no-frills approach is a strength, it might not appeal to those who thrive on high-energy, motivational instructors, or gamified fitness experiences. In conclusion, Fitness Blender is an excellent resource for anyone seeking a practical, affordable, and effective way to improve their fitness at home. Its vast library of free workouts, detailed program options, and healthy recipes offer a comprehensive approach to well-being. While the platform lacks some of the bells and whistles of its competitors, its core value, providing high-quality, accessible fitness content, remains undeniable. If you're looking for a reliable and sustainable fitness resource without the hype, Fitness Blender is definitely worth exploring.